Hold on, let me get this mic right. YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Central Capitals, man. Tapping back in with another video. And welcome, guys. The time is now 8:38. I just got back from dropping my YN off, and today I got me a little ice guy from the Star Guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get myself situated because I dropped him off a little later than usual today, and wasn't able to get home before 8:30. So got what I need. And let's see what the market's talking about on this fine Wednesday rising. So yeah, guys, welcome back to another Today in a Day. And let's get the day started. All right, guys. So today is actually CPI news. And right now, CPI, well, not right now, but CPI happened at 8:30. And right now, I'm eyeing some EU shorts. And today, I'm actually trading live capital. So put the money in my broker yesterday. And right now, I'm looking to enter on some EU shorts right now. What I'm trying to figure out is my point of interest is pretty big. So I don't know if I should take the median entry here or just take the aggressive getting in right away at this level. So I'm going to kind of see how this shapes up here around 9:45. But the thing about it, there is more news today. Oh, man. There's more news today. Well, actually, for the US, that's probably done. This says Canadian news at 9:45. Not sure if that's going to have any effect on the dollar, but debating whether I should take a median entry here. But I think I will take a median entry here considering this POI is massively huge, bro. I have like a 12 pip stop loss with the median entry, so I think I'll be better off taking this median entry here. So I had a market structure shift. We had to change a character on the 15 from this area here. A CPI push. We had a spike up into the POI and an instant structure shift directly afterwards. So looking to get in for some shorts on here. This would be my MCC model, which is mitigation continuation sort of model. So let me go ahead and correct this. Trading MT5 now, so I won't be able to trade directly through TradingView, which I love to do because it's nice and easy, but it happens. But there's liquidity before the setup, and we'll see how it shapes up. So we'll go ahead and set this limit. So what? It was, get my stop loss size right. 1.03. Entry is 9184. Stop loss is 9313. Lot size 1.3. Double checking everything. And ooh, I wonder if you guys can hear that. I ain't heard that sound in a long time. That that MT4 that'll make your heart jump, boy. That motherfucking MT5, boy. Stop playing with them. All right, so got that limit set, and I'm going to set a limit at my entry. And I'm keeping a median entry here just because the zone is pretty massive. So we're going to kind of see how this shapes up. But I'm going to get back to watching this podcast, Words of Wisdom, with Lance Brightstein, who says, ICT lied about the algorithm. But think about ICT. Yes, I've heard many stories on now and seen the screenshots where the dude was capping on a lot of shit, but you can't deny that the shit that he's teaching doesn't work. Like, I've seen plenty of people that uses his concepts that work. Whether that be, what's his name, the Zeusy guy, Jade Cap, like Kimmel fella, what's her name, the lady who does the live streams, Croatian lady, fuck, I can't think of her name, Tanya Trades. Yeah, like, people use the concepts, they work, they're profitable, but Buddy's just got some other shit going on, like, with his character. It's like, a lot of the shit that he teaches works, but it's just like, he be capping behind the scenes, you feel me? So it's like, you gotta decipher the information, and it's like tricky for a lot of people because they can't listen to Grandpa talk all the time. But Grandpa be dropping them gems in there, but you gotta decipher the bullshit because it will lead you down like a straight path if you let him. But he give you the knowledge. He'll give you the knowledge. So yeah, we'll get back to this podcast and I'll catch up with you guys after some more development on this fine Wednesday rising. I'm tripping, fo. I should have got the grande. This shit good as hell. On my mama. I got the little chai tea latte with the oat milk on that motherfucker because we don't fuck with the dairy. Even though I still be eating ice cream here and there, so I can't be talking shit. But still, I'll try to make better choices and hit it with the oat milk. You know what I'm talking about? And I should have put a little vanilla in that John. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Hey guys. Damn. Oh. Hey guys. So, looking at some potential shorts on GJ now. More of a liquidity hunt model that I'm eyeing. But I'll show you guys what this is looking like. So we had a market structure shift. Price has been running to the upside. I have this theory that price is aiming for this 4H liquidity pool. And then I'm expecting still some 4H lows to get taken on GJ. But right now looking for some shorts here. And the price is kind of flirting around my entry. Time now is going on 9:35, so 5 minutes after open. Still waiting on something to shape up with EU as well, but I'm kind of trapped on both sides with this liquidity here, and all of this is fair game. Still, I feel for a price to kind of come, so not really too confident in EU, but I am still following structure and giving my stop a bigger room because it can get very volatile post CPI. So we're gonna definitely follow through and see what kind of happens here on EU, but also seeing where GJ kind of shapes up. But it's kind of stacking right here, but I want to see something like that kind of transpire. And yeah, guys, like I mentioned, trading a small live now. So we're going to see, I'm going to take this approach very meticulous and making sure I'm performing in the best of my ability, and just really taking it slow, following my plan, and not really forcing or rushing anything. But definitely want to get a funded account at some point, and just have both live and funded capital. It's like the more the merrier, right? As long as you're managing your portfolio correctly, gotta continue to scale. So I'll get back with you guys after some more development on one of these two positions. But I'm thinking GJ is going to get tagged on this market structure shift scenario, but we're just really going to see. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. So let me get him in here and get some H2O. You thought it. I didn't. Anyway, GJ set up, left without me. And EU still kind of consolidating right now. So bummer on that. We're gonna kind of see if I can catch a continuation on GJ. But yeah, that was kind of bummer because it literally tanked, but my entry was a little too tight. And yeah, suffered the consequence of that. But EU, it's kind of stalling, but more so kind of focus on GJ right now. See if I can get in on a continuation entry. But Jose and them out there cutting the yard. I feel bad because the yard is full of poop, man. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. What are we gonna do? Should I go out there? Oh, man. Anyway, so looking for some continuation here on GJ. See if price comes up to this limit here. Already set it on the screen. It's already set. And yeah, we're gonna kind of see if we get a continuation or we sit on the sideline on this Wednesday. So I'll catch up with you guys if I see something. I want me another latte, man. That shit gone, boy. Nothing but some ice residue in there and some watered down substance. But yeah, I'm trying to get another one of them because that was fairly tasty. Ew, what are you doing? Damn, man, GJ left without the kid. That's that fuck shit, but it's all good. I'm trading live today, bro. Yeah, we're in the game now for real, like I was in December. And December was a pretty good month as far as trading goes, but I had to take out that money, like I said, because life happens and you gotta handle that business. So yeah, today might be one of those sideline sort of days because nothing's really shaping up for me, but it's all good because we're managing risk accordingly because we're a risk manager for real now. So gotta manage the risk for real now. So yeah. YouTube. So I just decided to enter some GJ continuations and we're kind of sitting in drawdown right now, but I'm looking to take my break even off fairly soon, considering I am trading a reversal pattern here and I want to get out around the 50% of the range, considering this is a continuation from a liquidity hunt. So it's not like it's going to run forever, but if it does run in this scenario, so I've already got tagged in here. So looking to take a risk off at this low. And I'll set alert for that. So this is where I'll break even. And yeah, this is where I'll let the trade run and do its thing. If I get break even, that'll be great. If I get a target, that's great as well. But we'll just kind of see how this setup kind of transpires for now. All right, guys, so you can't really tell on here, but I just rolled my stop to break even. We've pushed past the break even point, but still looking for a 1 to 3 down here. It's a little bit past the 50% of this leg, but hopefully we can at least hit that and that'll be great. But right now we've already pierced through our break even point. So I need to fix up the chart settings on here, or probably just turn off the grid line because I can't really see shit on here when I'm filming it. But we are running quite nicely on GJ right now. I'll probably delete my EU order just because focus on one thing at the current moment. So we're going to see how this trade kind of transpires. But I'm going to fix these settings on here. That shit looks terrible. So yeah, catch up with you guys after some more development. All right, guys. Is this thing on? Okay, we're recording. So I got stopped out at break even on the GJ setup. Price pulled back to my entry point, having run break even after the break of this low here. So boom, tagged in, and I think we're going to continue to run through target, but that's just kind of one of those things. I was out in Belgium on tour. That's when I convinced myself I was truly yours. Know that you hear me. Know that you hear me. Yeah. All right, guys. So that EU trade just got tagged in. So this is my second trade idea. Well, initially my first, but my second idea that it's on right now. So I just got tagged into this trade. Up about $20 right now running. So we're gonna see how this idea kind of shapes up for today. This is a reversal, so liquidity hunt setup. And the first position was a break even, charges to the game. And we're gonna see how EU fiber, well, I'm gonna focus on my face, shapes up for today. So yeah, guys, another day in the life of a growing futures trader. So I'll catch up with you guys after some more development on this EU trade. I'll show you guys it. Sure. So we just tagged the median of this setup. All this built up internal liquidity is being swept. So I'm hoping for some sell side delivery for a little bit over a 1 to 3, almost a 1 to 4, but we're gonna see how this shapes up right now. Going on the last hour of the session. So boom. Yeah. All right, guys. So on this EU trade, I decided to just manually close because we're rolling close to the session's over. Really, 11:45 is when I like to wrap things up. But we're coming deeper into this POI. Got in on the median of this whole entire zone is really big. So I figured if price holds this level and start to show likes and wants to reject and grind higher from this level, that I'll just close once I see that. Or once price closes below this level, this is when I'll roll my stop to break even. But just considering the time, and I am trading live capital now, it's just like I'll go ahead and protect the capital. But the setup still may develop, but out of the market. So I'm not expending no more capital for the day. So close a little bit at around the break-even level on EU and GJ today. So 2 break-evens for the day. But considering the week, it's been pretty good, I must say, because what is it? So a bit of a market update for you guys. So once price was around this level, I just closed. So price started to go deeper towards deeper in drawdown, and considering the time is now 12:02, but I closed this position a little bit around 11:46 just because of the timing that we're in on the session, and we're still kind of stalling around delivery. I meant stalling around entry. So I decided to just manually close. It was about a little bit in profit, but more of a break even than anything. So I'll pop it up on the screen, the position on EU that I closed, and I'll also show the position on GJ that I closed. So 2 break evens for the day, but considering how the week has been going, it's been pretty good. The 2 Monday, had a win on Monday, had a win on Tuesday, and 2 break evens on Wednesday, and the first trades on the account were break evens with a little bit of profit, and those gotta count those, but nevertheless break evens. But yeah, off to a good start and just managing capital accordingly here. So I decided to just close early just because we're already at the end of the session. There's no need to risk it. You know what I'm saying? You have to manage capital accordingly. So once I saw price kind of rejecting off this kind of level here, I just said, you know what, let's just close it. But keep in mind, this still could deliver to the the downside, but I mean, I kind of highly doubt it just because we aren't in those kill zone hours, and EU has been very bullish lately, considering the dollar has been tanking, probably amongst all the things that's going on with Trump and the tariffs and him trying to something with the Fed going on. But yeah, anyways, yeah, pretty much done for today. Like I said, the setup still could deliver, probably temporarily though. Like I said, probably won't deliver just because EU has been highly bullish lately. So yeah, that's all I really got for today, guys. And this is probably where I'm going to end the video off to a good start on the account. Gotta keep grinding, gotta keep building, and yeah, show up tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day. But yeah, with all the worldly events that's happening in 2025 with our new president, just be safe in the markets and do some, what's the word? What's the inverse of technical analysis? Some fundamentals. Yeah, that's what I get. Some fundamental analysis, meaning get some things that's going on within the news and see how that's correlating to price. So yeah, maybe I'll keep rising. I'll see you guys in the next one. So peace for now.